What's going on, YouTube? Hey, my name is Rafael, and this is visostravel. If you like travel, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell notification on.
It's not Rafael, it's Rafael.
Rafael, that is correct. Today, we are heading over to the Ann Ruby Falls in Helen, Georgia, with no other than Mr. Ronnie Stokes right here. And we have another channel. We got Darian from Magnificent Germany with Darian. We got Blaine from Rayleigh's Creative Travel. We got Shona and Jonathan from the Six Traveling Shorts. There's one of the shorts right there. So we are gonna have, oh, and I forgot, Kenneth from Fordman, aka Kenneth Oaks. So we're gonna have fun, and you're gonna see that right after this. We're heading over to Ann Ruby Falls with none other than Mr. Stokes, Mr. Woo, Mr. Life is Good Today, and a little strange person back there.
We picked him up at the campground somewhere.
Yeah, we picked him up. I don't know who he belongs to. I think he's a short. He's from the Traveling Short, I believe. But we are about...
If he don't belong to them, it'll turn into 7 Traveling Shorts.
7 Traveling Shorts, yeah. There's no 6 without a 7. I've been telling them they need a 7th. 6 is a bad number. 7 is much better, don't you agree? Ronnie, don't you agree? 7 is much better.
Seven's a lucky number.
That's right, my lucky number is 13, but there's no way I have 13 kids.
No, that wouldn't be lucky at all.
Actually, no, my lucky number is 150.
Do we have to pay? I think we have to pay.
I think we have to pay.
Or maybe we do.
I think so. I got it.
I got it. Okay. Looks like we have to pay to get into the state park, maybe?
Yes, that's some kind of parking thing at one sign said.
Yeah.
That's fine.
So, pay to play, they say.
That's right, you gotta pay to play.
Check that out, guys. Look at the big drop of water right there.
We saw it. We saw it. We can go back now.
That's not the real falls. The real falls are bigger.
You don't know that.
You don't know that. Have you been here before?
No, but I've seen real falls.
You have?
Not here.
Not here, but other falls.
Niagara Falls.
You don't have to pay for me now.
2 adults, 1 child.
2 adults and 1 child. 2 adults would be $6, please. You got 1 child.
1 child.
Yeah, 1 child. He's right here.
He's high. I told him to high because I didn't want to pay for him. He's really.
He's only 9. He's fine.
Right.
Thank you.
Oh Lord!
There he is. There he is, right there. Woo! Woo!
I mean,
Look at that. There's Kenneth right there. What's going on, Kenneth? Are you ready? Are you ready to go?
Yes, sir.
How much Tabasco did you have this morning?
I've not had any this morning.
Well, you need to, because if you need some strength, you know, some little fire farts. So Papa didn't make it?
He's not going to be able to do that kind of...
Yeah, I mean, he doesn't have a Ferrari. He only has a McLaren, so that's the problem right there. So what we got here? Is this Smokey, or who is this guy?
all right, Bear. Go talk to that bear right there. Bear, talk to the bear. I don't want to talk to the bear. Talk to the bear.
The watering hole already.
Already found the watering hole.
We found it for Lenny.
Yeah, we found it for a dog. Yeah, Lenny the dog.
Something to show.
they have so much water.
Same old places and faces of people with nowhere to go. But we're not like them, we are better, both you and I know. Grab your car keys and jacket, 'cause honey, we're ready to go. Let's get in the car and we'll drive. We're leaving tonight. Away from these streets and the cold buzzing neon lights. We're keeping our heads above water, struggling and striving. We ain't gonna turn back this time. We'll just keep driving.
Stay on the trail. People stay on the trail.
You're making YouTube this.
World's passing by outside.
Alright, we're running. We're going to get hurt. We're coming.
I'll never leave your side. I'll never leave your side. I'll never leave your side. The radio's on, my eyes are open wide. I'll never leave your side. I'll never leave your side. We got no money, but honey, got nothing to hide.
No, I'm not put out. You're supposed to stay here with a dog there.
Sorry, I don't have a dog.
You don't supposed to stand there if you don't have a picture just like that.
No dog. No dog.
It's gonna be all down the hill.
With a 4-speed transmission. You got one hand on my knee, one hand on the steering wheel, world's passing by
Alma, look at your husband. He is doing his exercise for the day. I'm making him walk, Alma. I'm making him walk.
I'll never leave your side. I'll never leave your side. I'll never leave your side. Windows are rolled down, the radio's on, and my eyes are open wide. I'll never leave your side. 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 Windows are rolled down, the radio's on, and my eyes are open wide. I'll never leave your side. I'll never leave your side. Why you leave your
Wow. That is just amazing. We made it all the way to the top. It's running right there. It's spectacular.
Hey, it's well worth the hike.
Well worth the hike. It's spectacular views right there. Wow, amazing. Hey,
Yeah, guys, it's well worth the hike. Like a quarter of a mile, but well worth it.
that is fantastic.
Look at that.
Amazing, amazing area. This is the view that we see from the top. So the waterfalls are behind us. It is a little bit of a trek up here. It's 0.4 miles up here, but it's worth it. I mean, if you have the stamina to come up here, please do, because the view is spectacular.
I recommend putting on your deodorant. Yeah, don't be like me. Put your deodorant on.
I know, right? Put deodorant, because yeah. Those little underarms are gonna be woo, stinging the nose. Woo! Let's go, Kenneth. You got it, buddy. Come on, come on. Come on. You need to have that. Take a sip of the Tabasco so you can get a rocket ship. Come on.
Daddy, there's another train.
Dankeschön, tschüss. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. This is like the Tour de France. Alpe d'Huez. Come on.
Gotta go. The reward is near.
It is definitely a 10.
All right, definitely a 10.
It's definitely a 10.
Yeah, Kenneth Oaks over here. He made the 1.4 track on his Ferrari right over here. Does it feel good to come all the way to the top?
Yes.
It's the mind. It's a beautiful thing, isn't it?
It is definitely a beautiful view. I highly recommend anybody that comes to visit Helen, Georgia. I highly recommend to check out Waterfalls Falls.
Yes, it's like my mind didn't want to come up,
Yes,
and you know the body can do things,
yes.
impressive things. So more power to you, Kenneth. Wow, respect, buddy, respect. Uno,
Dos.
dos, tres. One, two, three. What's going on, YouTube? All right, we made it all the way down. Now it's raining. We made it with 10 minutes to spare. So, heading over to my woo-mobile. Woohoo!